How to fix X Twitter app cannot change username. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for X application. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the X application on our device. So we're just going to go back and then make a long press on X application over here and then tap on app info. After that, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear cache, and if it's possible, you can also clear all data. Next, go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here. So you go to each option and give that access. After that, all you have to do is make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might fix Twitter app cannot change username issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. So it's a very easy process of finding the model and serial number on Android. You just have to go to the settings of your device and then you can see the option of about phone over here at the top. So tap on about phone, and as you tap on about phone, just scroll down and you can see the option of detailed info and specs. So tap on detailed info and specs, and here just scroll down and you'll be able to see the model number of your device, and you'll be also see the serial number or different kernel versions, and whichever version that you have on your device, you'll be able to see that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.